Yes.
Okay, so I'm recording. Wait. Okay. Hello, I'm Yadit Salazar.
Karina Guevara.
Eduardo Castellon.
We're group number 2, and we are discussing the 8 elements of thought. All right, so our first element of thought is point of view, frame of reference, perspective, orientation. And for me, I believe it's everyone has a point of view, so the way you see things, the way you interpret things. And next we have purpose and goal, objective. So everyone has a purpose or a goal in doing things. So if you start something, everyone has something they're looking to achieve at the end of the day. And then I have a question at issue, problem or issue. And so in order for us to have thought, we have to have a question or a problem to have a solution. So with everything, there has to be a question and an answer, or a problem and a solution.
Okay. This one is information, the data, facts, observations, experiences. To me, information is just basically a whole bunch of data that we gather for whatever reason we're trying to, for whatever objective we're trying to achieve. And basically, we just analyze that information to see if it fits into our purpose. And the next element of thought is interpretation and inference. To me, interpretation is basically what you assume something is, or what you take out of it, how you see it, based kind of like your point of view. And inferences are when we kind of like I'm kind of stuck on that one actually. Inference.
Hold on. Let me see if I can. So kind of like our inference is our interpretation. So whatever we infer, it becomes our interpretation of something. So if we think something's a certain way, then that's how we're gonna see it, kind of.
Okay.
Like our answer to our question in a way.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So the next is concepts. Our interpretation of our information helps us understand our concepts, which are our theories and ideas. And then after that, we go to our assumptions. Our thinking is sometimes can have bias to it. So we have to be careful with that and make sure that it doesn't come into account when we're thinking of something, kind of not have any biasm whenever you're trying to figure something out or something. But sometimes that can cloud your mind. And then finally, we have implications and consequences. Implications follow our thoughts. Consequences follow our actions. So kind of like if I blank, then blank.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and also a good acronym to help when trying to remember this, or the 8 elements, could be like maybe the first letter of each concept which would be PPQ, triple ICA, and then maybe that will help in trying to memorize the 8 elements.
Yes.
My suggestion.
Yeah, that could help.
So this is group 2, and these were our perspectives on the 8 elements of thought.
Okay.